Hello! Welcome to PDF.co. In this video we will show you how to search and replace specific text in a PDF file using PDF.co and Zapier. We will use a sample PDF invoice, and replace a company name and client name with different text. Our file is stored in Google Drive in the PDF.co2 folder. To get started, let's create a new Zap, and select Google Drive. Choose the new file and folder, trigger event. Connect your Google Drive account, which contains the file. Select the drive name, and the folder name. Now, let's test the trigger, to make sure that we set up the right account. Fantastic! Kindly double check that you have the correct file, before you proceed to the next step. We will now set up the PDF.co action, to search and replace text. Choose the custom API call, in the action event. Select the PDF.co account you want to use. In the PDF.co API endpoint, look up the replace text. Let's paste the JSON code that contains the file URL, search strings, and replace strings parameters, with their corresponding values. Click on the Test and Review button, to make sure that we configure the search and text API call correctly. Awesome! Copy and paste the URL in your browser, to view or download the output. Here's a modified PDF invoice. It has a new company name, and client name. Here's the original PDF invoice. And the new PDF invoice. In this video, we demonstrated the PDF.co search and replace text API using Zapier. To learn more, you can check out our API docs, code samples, join our Facebook group or contact our customer support team. We look forward to hearing from you.